What's the newest available premium multifocal lens implant in the United States today? The PanOptix Pro. For reference, between 2019 and 2024, I used the PanOptix, we'll call it the first generation or the original PanOptix multifocal lens implant, on thousands of patients with great results. It was our go-to primary best premium multifocal lens in that time span. But there were two reasons why patients were unhappy with the PanOptix, the original PanOptix lens. Number one, some patients felt that their quality of long distance vision wasn't acceptable. And number two, some patients felt that the halos that they would experience and see around lights at night was not acceptable. So we found that for about 2% of patients that received the PanOptix, we would need to remove the PanOptix and replace it with a different lens implant to get our patients to be satisfied with their vision. Well, what happened in 2024? In April 2024, we started using a different lens, the Odyssey multifocal lens implant. From April 2024 until about December of 2024, this became my go-to premium multifocal lens implant because I felt like it delivered a higher satisfaction rate for my patients than the original PanOptix. Patients with the Odyssey, I felt, had better overall quality of vision. They would see some halos at night, but it seemed to be a little bit less bothersome with the Odyssey than it was with the original PanOptix. Fast forward between December 2024 and March of 2025, I started using the Envy multifocal lens, which was in some ways better than the Odyssey in that patients with the Envy reported less halo effect at night. And they seemed to have a very, very high satisfaction rate. But on March 27th, the Envy lens was recalled because several patients around the United States experienced an inflammatory condition in the eye called TASS or TAS. And Bausch & Lomb, the manufacturer of the Envy lens, had to recall that lens. So going back, we have to now reassess what's going to be our go-to premium multifocal lens. And for now, it's the Odyssey lens. It's the best available premium multifocal lens in my experience. So this is the lens I'm recommending for most of my patients as of April 2nd, 2025. However, the PanOptix Pro was launched just yesterday and we gained access to it and can now offer it to our patients. It comes in a limited power range. It can correct astigmatism. What is the reported benefit of the PanOptix Pro? It allows more light through this lens than other multifocal lenses. So in theory, the PanOptix Pro patients should have better image quality and hopefully better image contrast than other multifocal lenses. What I found is that we really need to use these lenses and then listen to the feedback from our patients. They will tell us if they're happy and if they're not. And over time, at scale, we will find out how often our patients are truly dissatisfied with their vision enough to the point where they might want to have the lens exchanged for a different lens. So this PanOptix Pro has promised to be an improvement over the original PanOptix, but time will tell. Like I always say, there's no perfect lens, and the best lens is the lens God gave you when you were age 25. But we don't have the ability to manufacture lens implants that mimic that high quality vision that we all had in our 20s. So the designers of the PanOptix Pro have made iterative changes to the original PanOptix in an attempt to deliver better quality outcomes with fewer side effects. We'll use this lens in our patients over the coming months and the coming year, and we'll compare this lens with the Odyssey, the Envy, and the original PanOptix. Thanks for watching as always. We'll let you know how all these lenses perform. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.